here is an Infiniti. Actually like these right here. See, this one here is kind of jumped up, messed up a little bit. And it looks like the push button is probably not working in this one here. Yeah, there's no power in this baby here. And a bunch of stuff in this one too. Ooh wee! Somebody had some. Let me show y'all. Somebody had some pennies up in this. This ain't. It's alright as this look. This is not something. And this here is a repo. Another one from Title Max. I had to get that baby out of gear. Yeah, they had to get that baby out of gear. From here, that's how they got it up here. I can kind of tell because they don't have the key fob for it. Here's an Infiniti Q70S. It's alright looking. It's alright looking. But it doesn't run. Can't really hear what it sounds like. Maybe I'll pop the hood into it, at least see what it looks like. What the engine component looks like. Nope. Probably had to pry this baby open. Let's see. I just had this thing in my hand too. There we go. Oh, there's no obvious damage to the engine, but this thing just hanging right here. Like all the parts and stuff is there. Let me check this one out. Keep looking at it. Let's see what happens with this one here. I just wanted to pass up this Mazda. So y'all know I don't even look at these cars. Well, I don't like them. This is a Mazda A6. Biohazard. Yeah, we're gonna leave that biohazard right where it is. Ain't finna open up nothing, ain't finna do nothing. A Mazda 6. I had one of these. These here are terrible cars. Ooh, and it smells real bad. Real strong, real strong. Yep. Anyway, I had one of them. I think there is absolute garbage. I had to replace the transmission after having it for about a month. And then that was all rusted up, and then it had some other problems, spark plugs and everything. Had to change all that stuff, and yeah, just wasn't very good. Let's go on and keep moving. Try to find my other car. Oh, is this the same one? Came here a couple of days. No, this is a different one. Okay, came here a couple of days ago. This, oh, definitely took care of this car here. Definitely took care of this car here. Whoever it was, she took care of this one. How do I know that it was a woman? Perfume smell, obviously. The perfume smell. Seats are all neat and clean. The roof is all clean. Doesn't start. 114,000 miles, so expecting it to be somewhere around there if it was to run, but it doesn't run. So let's go on and go ahead and move on and find my BMW. This is BMW Hunt. Benz C250. I've had one of these before. Mine was blue, and it needed a heck of a ton of work done to it. This one here don't look too bad. Like they got this here. I'll probably fix that right up in here. Fix that and then take that off of there. Blue efficiency. I wonder, does she run? No, she's not gonna run. I'm already looking at it and can tell. Oh man, Mercedes, BMWs, Land Rovers. People love them. People don't take care of them. Look at that. And that's crazy. See how this? It's not supposed to sit like that. It's supposed to sit like this. Not like that. Like this. But whatever. Anyway, yeah, this one here is not gonna crank. They even ate up the knob on here. And yeah, see, they had to raise this up to get it out of gear. I already know about that. There's to get a Mercedes out of gear, there's a button. I forget where it is on this one here, but it's in here. And you gotta push down. Oh, it's right here. I'm stupid. It's right here. So you just gotta push that down, and then you can move your shifter. And then when you put it back, you know, that's how you do that. That's how you get it out of gear. This baby here is not going to run. Yeah, I already knew that was going to happen. Nothing at all. I had one of these. That actually was ooh, man. Look at that. All that is just. They did do an oil change, but I don't know, because there's not much that I can really see on this one here. And this one here is also a repo. So disappointment. Yeah, see, all the buttons are fading off of this here. C250s. So nice looking one. I like the way that they put this little seat cover in here, and this is actually really nice. I like that. It's actually really nice. It fits really good. It was comfy. You can clearly tell it's not something that go in here, but this is what they used to sit down. Oh, that's the reason why. Seats are all tore right there. Probably up in that one too. Anyway, check out the back seat. They hardly ever use the back seat. Just good. And they drove this thing here until they couldn't pay for it anymore. And then it was taken. Tires on here looks good too. So it might not be in bad shape, but I don't know. Just have to see what this one here can go for. These are very flashy cars and real nice too. So not too bad with gas. Anyway, here is another Infiniti. This is the SUV. Actually, SUVs is actually where it's at. It's what most people be really needing and wanting. This is the QX60. And, oh, we do got some power in here. Oh, that baby there is not really wanting to open. Got your third row seat up in here too, which is cool. And you can lay this here down. I think you pull this here down. Yeah, pull that there down for it to go forward, and then drop that. And you can do the same to this here. Pop that, drop that down. So you got more room. You still got your little 2-row seating options. I'll see the hydraulic thing is right here, so that's supposed to work, but it's not for. Maybe I need to get the crank it up and see what's crank it up. Actually, it looks nice on the inside. It don't look bad at all on the interior. Yeah, let's go ahead and give her a whirl. This one here wasn't really one that I wanted to look at, but I said you can't never really go wrong. I can never really go wrong with the SUV. Everybody wants an SUV or a truck. It's just, let's see. Let's step on the brakes. Hit the power button. Okay. Engine doesn't sound bad. Okay, engine don't sound bad. We do got a check engine light on here, which is alright. Let's see. AC does not blow in this car here. I'm gonna go ahead and roll this window all the way down because I don't want to get locked out. Let's see if I can close this thing. This thing here will close. Nope. Ugh. I don't know why that was hard, but it's hard. Let's see what this engine look like. Go ahead and pop this right here. We're gonna go ahead and see. Actually sounds fairly healthy. There we go. Actually quiet, healthy, no obvious damages. You can see that battery looks old. Is it ready to have to replace that in about a couple months, maybe a year? The hydraulics don't work, obviously. You can see they keep still trying to come down, but nevertheless, sounds pretty good. Like this, anything majorly wrong with it? Just I did at the AC. Oh, there it goes. AC blowing now. 142,000 miles on here, and got your sunroof there in the back. Let's see how the windows go. See that window? Yeah, works. Okay, how about that window right there? Yep, that one works. Yep, works. And the passenger side window. I wonder if that one's gonna work. Wrong one. Yep, that one works too. Cool, cool, cool. So all the windows work. The sunroof also works, which is pretty good in this here. Yeah, I'm missing that little thing there. I'm gonna have to get put back on here. It's not bad. Let's see. Should go in reverse? Yeah. Backup camera works and she goes in reverse. Yep. And we'll move. Put her in park again. I don't want to be doing too much. You got your snow, your eco, your sport mode. We got heated seats in this baby too. That's cool. This is not bad at all. I definitely will keep an eye on this one here. I don't know who let this one here go. No, they wasn't letting this one here go willfully, because this here is not bad at all. Like I said, not bad at all. Out of here. If y'all like this video, y'all know what to do.